Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I want to talk about a concept called superhuman performance for entrepreneurs. It's basically setting up the ideal environment for peak performance. And it really kind of is based on three pillars. The first one is easy in theory, not always easy to do, and that's get enough sleep. They say 7 to 8 hours of sleep is the ideal amount for peak performance. But here's where it gets a little more interesting, and that's where you add fasting into it. I've fasted for the last probably 2.5 years, and I absolutely love the benefits of it. But this is taking it what I would consider one level deeper. And what I mean by that, fasting in general, you're going to probably eat anywhere from not eat in a 16 to 18 hour fast. So that means you put your food in a smaller window. For me, I do typically noon to 5:30, noon to 6 if I want to cut weight a little bit or fast a little longer. Once in a while, I'll throw in a noon to 4, so I fast for 20 hours. But what I mentioned was taking it another level deeper is, is lowering your carb input, right? And the whole theory behind that in kind of fasting in general is that when your body is not digesting food, which is one of the toughest things that your body does, it's repairing cells. I think in Europe, there's something called a cancer diet, and it's pretty similar that you basically give your body, your digestive system a break. So during those 20 hours, it can repair cells. So makes a lot of sense. But how this goes another level deeper is you're really lowering your carb intake, possibly just having a little bit at the first meal. And carbohydrates I'm no doctor, and I definitely can't say that, go do this, always check with your doctor. I'm just giving you information on what I've done and the performance levels that I've seen because of it. And basically, when you eat a lot of carbs, you kind of feel that puffy feeling, and it's the same with too much sugar and alcohol. So in this, superhuman performance, it's recommended that you have no alcohol. I know, don't leave yet. No alcohol or drugs, right? Prescriptions, that's up to you. But no alcohol, no sugar, and of course, lower carbs. And what happens is it allows your body to, you don't get that lethargic feeling after you eat, right? And this kind of goes into the third level of where it becomes superhuman performance is when you get up in the morning, you really hit your most important tasks. And the reason for that, in the morning, you have the most willpower, right? Willpower is finite. As the day goes on, your willpower goes down. And then the fasting doesn't make you hit that slump where you're tired. You really have a lot more energy. And man, I can't tell you the difference that I found with using this and the amount of hours I can work and really feel good. And the next piece of this, and I think it's critical, and it's a place where you can find almost limitless energy, and that is doing something that you're passionate about, right? If you're passionate about something, it's a lot easier to spend time doing it. They call it getting in the flow. And when you get in the flow, time just kind of disappears. 1 minute you're working on something and you're just so involved in what you're doing. You look down at your watch and it's been 3 hours and you think, whoa, where did time go, right? It's getting in the flow. So when you put all these together, it really creates the ideal environment for superhuman performance. And I think it is awesome for entrepreneurs. Try it. Let me know what you think and leave a comment down below. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe and thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.